Ripple's prospects remain uncertain until 2024 as a result of the ongoing legal dispute between the company and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), which has been going on for a long time and continues without any immediate settlement. Investors who had previously anticipated profits from an all-time high investment are currently in a state of uncertainty, and they are calling into doubt the future direction of Ripple's performance. The Ripple company fights regulatory obstacles. Ripple was launched during a time when cryptocurrencies did not have any institutional backing. Almost immediately after its launch, the company pursued integration with central banking systems, which resulted in significant investor interest. The intervention of the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) put a stop to this momentum, and since then the SEC has spent years and money from taxpayers attempting to categorize XRP as a security. On the other, attorneys for the Securities and Exchange Commission have had a difficult time persuading the courts that XRP ought to be subject to the Howey test. A judge has ruled that transactions carried out by individual investors on exchanges do not constitute securities or investment contracts. An analysis of market attitudes and price stability. XRP's price is now hovering around $0.5. Despite a brief increase in value, this is due to several factors, including the fading rumors of an XRP ETF, the unresolved court case, and a growing supply of coins. Although many people have a pessimistic perspective on the medium term for XRP, some experts believe that the current low prices present a chance to purchase the cryptocurrency. They think that the negative mood will eventually fade away. In addition to the general tone of the market, the rate at which the whole supply of XRP is being put into circulation is a worrying development. To achieve the speculative double-digit pricing, the market value would need to be close to $1 trillion, which is a milestone that even Bitcoin has just recently surpassed. According to the calculations of experts, a price of $3 for XRP would result in a market size of $300 billion. Future price movement and technical indicators of price movement. According to the findings of a technical analysis, XRP has been struggling to overcome the $0.58 resistance level since the beginning of January. In recent weeks, there have been fruitless attempts to break through this barrier. There is a possibility that the targets of $0.63 and $0.74 may be tested if this level is broken above. XRP's value, which is currently trading at $0.536, has the potential to retest the $0.5 support level if Bitcoin is unable to recap. We'll investigate this intriguing email to find out where we should go, because this is very different from what happens when Ripple lets the price of XRP breathe. I'll let you know if this is true. If not, you are free to make your own decisions. But before we do that, let's talk about the sentiment of the market and the power of 27 XRP's actual purpose. Since you are familiar with me as Brad Garling House, this is what we want XRP to become. We'll tell you, and we have a video to show you what does the present currency indicate for value. XRP is meant to function as a global reserve. Without further ado, let's get started on this episode. I could explain to you that it indicates a lot more than 50 cents. The market cap of all cryptocurrencies has decreased by 3.07% on average. Bitcoin is currently down $1,102. Ethereum is down 2.29% during the last 24 hours, trading at $2,742. And USDT and USDC are both down 2.87%. More money has been seen, and everything in crypto hood is good. We will cross the 2 trillion thresholds with a population of 1,934,000,000,000 people, since we are getting closer every day. Hurry up and tell your man about that. Bull Brit is congratulating you. The best NFL project on the XRP is Lux Lions. Ledger is doing a great job there. If you weren't already a Lux Lion NFT owner, you had to get one. This offer is only good until February 14th. Consider those 11 sales as secondary sales, because secondary markets are desired for sales volumes of more than $8,000. These NFTs are valuable, which is why you should visit Lux Lion's website at nf.com and buy one for yourself. They are currently paying $165 in XRP, or roughly 307 XRP per NFT. The second wallet that these NFT are examining had 57 sales, which didn't even come close to matching our worth. All of these you should subscribe to it. Together, let's see if you can use Lou Lions and our newest partner, BBA, to drive 1.5 million impressions on a non-fiction product in 30 days. If not, allow me to present BBA to you. My man Lamar, the former Cool Cat CTO, is seated on it. In 30 days, 1.5 million impressions equals 1.5 million views. Though I'm not sure if views are the right term. Coins with impressions, here's his little chart in Discord that shows what he's looking for. Young said we were winning, so where are we going? I'm trying to build on the XRP roll I posted. Please pay attention to what I said in the first video if you missed it earlier today. I suggest you watch it again. Which is what has driven up the price of Bitcoin. But what's fascinating, in my opinion, is that it suggests that this bull market may continue for another 12 to 18 months. Can you imagine how much? And it will undoubtedly do so. So this bull run may be fully extended. We need to see how much money we will receive from the institution, since they will, in my opinion, return the call, start my Patreon account around 2020, and ask people what they think we should do next. Given the direction this market is going, I think there's a good chance that institutions will jump in and drive it, setting it up, because if we reach a 10 trillion market cap, even 5 or 7 trillion of these markets will be very mature at that point. This could be our last bull run ever. You won't be able to view these 50 to 100% moves of these 5 to 10xs. Instead, these markets will start moving right away. For example, developed asset class D, Mickey B claims, this is for the high police and those who hate XRP and don't think it was meant to be a global Brad Jinghouse is paying attention, because rather than having a small amount at an exorbitant cost, they saw it as you. This brings us to our final point. Everyone has probably seen the email from 2017. They saw it as something they intended to be almost a worldwide reserve currency. As stated at the bottom, the bots will be paused, and we won't talk about XRP until tomorrow. He claims that this message was perfectly timed, and since we haven't done any tactical work in the previous 2 days, please let us know if this is okay. I've stopped all of the bots. Let's just combine accounting and reports and give XRP some breathing room, since they are allowing it. When we look back to 2017, the price of XRP was around $380. We all know what happened in South Korea at that time. The coin market cap for the South Korean pair pulled the price of XRP pairing, giving the impression that there was a sell-off when in fact there wasn't, and history reversed itself, correct return to the ground. People became anxious, thinking that this was all based on a false report about Coinbase. But what are these here? The question is about bots, because XRP behaves quite differently from other cryptocurrencies and stays in ranges for a long time. Are these genuinely bots that operate by a ripple to keep the price of XRP in these ranges? As we've seen, David Schwartz has tweeted that the things you take for granted are almost like riddles. For instance, if the price of XRP reaches a point where people should be selling their money, what will happen is that the cost will drop again. Therefore, do these bots exist? If so, why is the price of XRP being withheld?